Hello everyone, welcome back to Priyu's vlog. So this is my first ever vlog doing mukbang, and here's we have today double X ramen with some lettuce, some boiled egg and fried chicken, sushi, laughing here, and some sausage. So without getting late, let's get started. And here I have the chopstick. Also I have this ice cream in case I get it's spicy. So let's get started. So I'm gonna first mix it up the noodles with some spices. I guess it's not visualizing right. Oopsie. I'm gonna add it full. Let's see if I can eat this or not. Days before I used to have lots of spicy things, and I used to love spicy food, but right now my tongue cannot tolerate the spicy food. So I'm having this ramen after a long interval, long gap. I don't know if I will be able to have this. So without that, let's get started. Let's mix it. Oops, I forgot to add this. These are my favorite things to put on ramen. I love this stuff so much because these are so much flavory. These are so much flavors in this noodle. Oh my god, I'm drooling right now. But let's see. Ooh. It's more than a packet here. Okay, so I'm gonna start it. It's delicious. Here's the chicken. I have this sushi without wasabi. The sushi is too good. I'm getting the spices. Laughing. So good. I don't know how to eat omelette with chopsticks, so don't judge me, okay? Let's try some wasabi too, so that the spice gets added. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I broke it off. Just a little bit. Oh my god. Mm. My lips are totally burnt at the moment. I don't know how can people I don't know how people are able to do mukbang with so many of the food. Right now I think I cannot even finish this ramen, sushi and laughing. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna get full very soon. But I have to. Let's see how well I can do it. Oh, it's not separated. Mm. I almost forgot to eat the sausage. I'm sorry. I'll do like this. I'm putting up the sausage over here. I know in some spell the noodle is put over the leaf and also the stuffs, and they wrap it up and they have it, but it's very small, so the noodles cannot be occupied by the leaf. I have to do them all. Oh my god, I just hate when the laughing gets separated. I just really get annoyed. Just having this ramen after a very long time. I guess it's been 1 year. I know it might happen to you all. It's a different rage you get from spicy food. I'm gonna get tears right now. Oh my god. I'm intentionally avoiding sushi in case because I know the rice can make me full so easily in a short period of time. So I would not be able to finish this noodle. So my main goal is to finish this one. So I can have sushi later. The start of laughing. Oh my god. Now I think I'm gonna shake it off. A little much left. getting dizzy right now. I'm sniffing too much. I'm sorry for that. I'm never ever going to do the spicy mukbang, hot and spicy. I'm not gonna do the mukbang from the next time because it's too much food for me. I cannot finish this all. These are too much for me. I'm too full. And I'm done with the noodles. I have the ice cream. Because my lips are burnt. The sushi is too good. Though I cannot finish it. I finished the ramen. My worst ever decision is to do this mukbang. I always regret wasting food. I think I'm gonna get a burp now. I think I'm gonna puke right now. Thank you so much for watching, but unfortunately I have to stop this mukbang right here because I think I'm gonna puke. It's too much for me. I don't think I'll ever do mukbang again. So I think I have failed doing this mukbang. Throwing food is really not a good idea. So this leftover sushi can be eaten. I have to throw this laughing. This also can be eaten. This is almost finished. A little bit is left over. That's it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope I entertained you, and I'm sorry if I annoyed you. Don't get annoyed because I'm very new to YouTube and I really don't have idea how to do this kind of stuff. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.